are about to arrive at the Kataal Museum. These are World War II memorabilia. I just hope it's open.
50 mm Japanese high explosive shell.
And it has not yet exploded.
Japanese soldiers.
Oh my god. A Japanese soldier. And these are the 6-footer Japanese soldiers.
That's one. Fire! Down the hole!
Sumabog! Hindi naman. Kinabahan ako doon.
Everything you see here is diffused.
Okay.
And I still had all my fingers. I diffused thousands of bombs already.
I got scared there.
Felix Constantino. Villa Kataal. Villa is my middle name. Kataal is my family name.
We are about to arrive at the Kataal Museum. These are World War II memorabilia. I just hope it's open. Ah, very nice old house. So the army jeep. Arrive at the Kataal Museum.
Ako nang pumupulot niya yan.
Saan nakuha?
Kinakalawang.
Chinese.
Knowledgeable Japanese. When I give
That's where Onoda hid for.
Lieutenant Hiro Uno, he was hiding. He's now a tourist spot there.
Where are the bombs? Wow. That thing is anti-malarial sprayer. Wow, were used extensively to eradicate breeding areas of malaria.
Ano?
A malarial sprayer?
Ha?
A malarial sprayer.
Anti-malaria spray.
Yes. Oh,
Sira na.
sira.
Ito, bomba rin ito. Ito, bomba rin, pero tinagal ng mga tao. That is the big one. That is the small one. Itong mga...
Ano, they carry the sprayer at their back?
Yes. Tingnan mo.
Ay, parang ano, pag
Yan
spray.
ang bomba.
Nasa loob ng sprayer?
Sprayer ito.
Hmm.
Ito pang sprayer. Itong mga takip. Nandoon ang takip nito. Marami silang dala. They are very afraid of malaria.
Still have this.
Sinusulat ko lang yung manufacturer na nasa ilalim.
Kala ko, these are the owner.
Hindi sila owner. Maraming bull rat, oh. Puro 1944. Bull rat. 50 mm Japanese high explosive shell.
And it still has not yet exploded. Right. The bazooka rounds
The rifle grenades
and the rifle
and
grenades.
the detonators for the 105 artillery shell.
Oh, really?
Ang hinahawakan niyang Pepsi Cola, nandun yung buti sa likod.
Okay, you still have... yeah.
Yes.
You still
And
have...
ang pangatlong buti, tinagal na yung cola. Pepsi na lang. 20 mm and above is already regarded as cannon. Below 20 mm is machine guns and anti-aircraft.
Picture of Onoda.
Hiro Onoda.
Hiro Onoda.
Himself.
Dala.
Japanese.
The-
Yung M1 Garand.
ito yung ginagamit supposed to be nung ROTC namin. Pero kahoy.
Rifle grenade. Kahoy yan.
Ito yung
Yung
mga...
rifle caliber 30 M1. Ito. US carbine caliber 30 M1 1942. US carbine caliber 30 M1 and M1A1
Meron pala
1944.
talagang operational manual.
This is Thompson submachine gun. This is Grease gun. The 30 caliber Browning machine gun. The 50 caliber Browning machine gun.
Where did you get all this?
Donations by
Ah.
a Canadian and a Filipino officer.
There's a driver's handbook, heavy tank.
Yes.
And you have medals.
Yes. And this is defense against chemical attack. That's why they have the gas mask.
And these are the gas masks. Wow.
Wakizashi.
Waki-
To disembowel themselves. When they are
Wakisas.
defeated in the battlefield, they have to kill themselves because to go home defeated dishonors them and their family.
There's a certain portion in Corregidor where many Japanese committed harakiri.
Committed suicide. Yeah.
And if you walk on that part, you feel the presence.
Yes.
Are Japanese swords.
Yes. And this is the Japanese Arisaka rifle.
The
Caliber
Japanese
25, and that is 7.7 mm Imperial Japanese Marines
Arisaka rifle
Arisaka rifle.
with the Japanese map. And this is the
The 30 caliber Arisaka rifle, pero ang 30 nila mas malaki kumpara mo sa American.
Arisaka
And this is
rifle.
how to shoot at aircraft. When the nose of the plane hit this area, they fire. When the airplane at the center being hit by the bullet. When it comes from the right, they fire at the center being hit by the bullet.
So they are really very precise. The gas mask
On the
goggle.
photographs, up to here, this is the gas mask filters, 1939. From here up to the side, 1935.
So there are different designs.
And the gas mask scrap.
Ano?
The boy pilots, minor age pilots, age 14 and 15, most of them died in the mountain without their airplanes.
Why they are so young?
The Japanese High Command planned that they have to stop all the ships here in the middle of the Philippines, because if there are no ships that can reach Japan, Japan cannot be conquered. If that ship arrived here, it could have been a different story.
Aircraft machine gun. These are aircraft machine gun. This one?
Only the Japanese clone the 50 caliber Browning machine gun. The Japanese shortened ammunition and the machine gun itself. And this is fired by cable. You can switch on your flashlight. You can see the Japanese markings here. The serial number
Wow.
and the Japanese markings.
Oh, okay. I thought this is American. The
That
Japan.
was the main armament for the Nakajima airplane. Because the A6M Zero fighter, the main armament was the 20mm, their cars as the Subaru.
Ah,
That bomb is this. I have 9 of that. Tingnan mo.
wow.
I have 9 of that.
Meron pang tao.
Meron pang pilot.
May pilot pa.
Mineral water made by the Japanese for patients who need very clean water.
Really? So this antedates the mineral waters of the American. So it's in bottle.
In bottles.
The first bottled water.
That
And it's
when
inside
the
the-
patient will drink this, they have to break one end, put it into the mouth, then they break the other end to release the vacuum. I only have 4 of this with the contents.
And the water still from the 1940s.
Yes. Those are the rest.
These were used already.
The 3 at the bottom still has the contents
Wow.
to the right side.
Wow, wow, wow. The water from the 1940s.
The rounds for the 81mm mortars.
This,
Naka-safety cap pa siya.
and these are still
Yan.
alive.
On your left side, those are the detonators for those.
These are the ito yan. You still have the play money. The Japanese play money.
This was with the Rizal Monument, the Mickey Mouse money.
The Mickey Mouse money.
This is the correction.
Why
5
the-
peso Mickey Mouse money, 5 peso correction, 10 peso Mickey Mouse money, 10 peso correction. But Australians did not make 100 peso bill. You only receive 20 centavos a day, 50 centavos a day, or 1 peso. So if you have 100 peso, that could surely be a pay. Mickey Mouse means play money. Because the guerrillas took samples of this,
And
sent it by submarine to Australia. In Australia, they made a lot of bogus money. When it returned back to the Philippines to destroy the Japanese economy, it lost its value because the Japanese cannot determine what is
Real.
fake from the genuine. So we call it as Mickey Mouse, means play money. Right there.
wow. Post-it.
I only left 1 gold teeth. I have 4 elder sisters, and when they repaired their jewelry, they asked gold from me. When they melt it, it's no longer the teeth.
Yes.
Look at this.
One of the,
Japanese soldier.
oh my God, a Japanese soldier. And these are the 6-footer Japanese soldier.
That's one Japanese soldier.
Part of the elite group. And all of these cases contains
Once. Now, I only have 7 left behind. Na turnover ko na sa Japan yung ang iba, yung 32.
And can they identify the name of these people?
Here. These dog tags, tina-transfer ko na lang kung anong nakasulat. And the uniforms was already decayed na pinupulot ko na lang yung mga botones nila. This one, you had a flashlight. that is only given to persons who excel in accounting. Soroban Medal. Lang yung eagle nakapatong sa abacus.
He must be very good at accounting.
Yes.
So these are really the elite group of soldiers, not the
And
ordinary ones.
yung plane ng Japanese na shoge, I only had found one piece. Ang shoge, you need 20 pieces of that. May nakasulat pa yung Japanese markings doon. Yung plane ng shoge. Can fire 450 rounds per minute. You want to see the bullets for this?
Where? These are the bullets here.
That's only one strip.
And each strip how
I have
many?
a lot.
And each strip contains how many bullets?
One strip is 30 rounds.
Wow.
And this machine gun can fire 450 rounds per minute. Kaya 30 round strips. 30 round strips at 15 strips. 30 times 15 is 450. That 450 rounds per minute ang rate of fire. Cyclic rate of
It
fire.
must be very heavy to carry them on your back.
May carrying handle pero hindi ko nahanap yung carrying handle. Kaya yung extra barrel na lang ang nilagay ko. Yung carrying handle sa likod parang handle ng bisikleta. Apat na person
Oh.
will carry this or two big men. When they put it down, they can fire immediately.
They are well prepared really to go to war.
Nakakita ka sa three pipes.
These are the Bangalore torpedo.
That's
Bangalore, really? Oh, this was the one that mentioned during Saving Private Ryan. It's very long.
yeah. That's one pipe. Maatas mo lang. Smooth siya.
These are the covers.
Mga cover na yan.
Ah, okay. It's quite heavy, huh?
You can still see the Japanese marking right there. Made in Osaka.
Oh, made in Osaka. Wow.
Lungs are the same. Basically the same as this. And
And
they adjust for the range. And you always see this in the movies. Fire down the hole.
sumabog. Hindi naman. Inabahan ako doon.
Everything you see here is diffused.
Okay.
And I still had all my fingers. I diffused thousands of bombs already.
I got scared there.
That is the preserved cherry blossom. The
Wow.
sakura in Japan.
They can preserve cherry blossom.
Yes.
And who is this guy on the picture?
And Emperor Hirohito. Emperor Hirohito with General Douglas MacArthur when he
When
surrendered.
he surrendered. Ah.
And that Japanese character, that is Kami. Kami is God. Kaya Kami kasi, the divine wind.
Okay. Wow. But I like this preserved cherry blossom.
Preserved cherry blossom from Japan. Yan ang propellant niya. Range of this bomb is from 120 meters to 670 meters away. And another one. Boxes.
Why do you enjoy collecting all this stuff?
I am the fifth child, the youngest. And I had 4 elder sisters. And the only brother of my mother, they had also 4 sisters and only 1 boy. Died as a prisoner of war in Campo Donete in Capastana. He survived the death march but he died 100 days later at the age of 22. Kaya bawal maging soldado. That's why I'm doing this. Just playing soldier. Maraming uniform eh.
Maraming uniform?
Donated by former veterans.
Yes.
And I can just wear them and have a photograph.
Okay.
Nag-reenact lang. May mga taga Cebu nagpunta rito. Mga reenactor sila. They said they had the blueprint for the Japanese uniform. Pero yung mga uniform nila, bago na pinatahin na nila. And I asked them where you can buy the prop, the bayonet, the Japanese, or the holster, the Japanese. Sira na yung nahanap ko. And they said, you just buy them. You just order them in Lazada.
Meron?
Meron! Made in China!
Made in China. Okay.
For reenactors.
Reenactors.
Mang bayonet nila, hardened rubber, pero parang tunay. Pero when you stab somebody, it will just bend.
And I thank you very much. So I think you have to go already.
Okay.
So thank you very much for your time.
Just
and-
enjoy.
Yes, thank you.